Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is ETHF Coin or ETHF Coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart and let us draw the trend lines. Okay, so you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So previously you can see candle started from support, went to resistance, and then continuously the fall is happening. So if you draw the trend line, okay, you can see that candles are falling in this channel pattern. Okay, so this is the resistance trend line. Okay, and this is the support trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. And if you go to the weekly chart, you can see very clearly how this candles are moving. So started from the support, went to resistance, then fall happened again. The candles have taken support here, and then again it has gone up. Now continuously the candles are falling. Okay, so if you draw the trend line here, so previously you can see candles were moving in the upward direction, and then breakout happened, then candles are falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support and resistance trend. This is the resistance and this is the support, and you can see candles are moving in this channel pattern, and you can see there is a resistance here, and within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. Okay, so after this candles taking support, it went up again, the fall happened again, the candles have gone up, and currently you can see candles are moving near to the resistance level, and if the fall happens, then candles may come down support level, and from the support it may go to the resistance level. Okay, and then again the fall may take place. So like this it may move, and in case if it gives a breakout from here, it may move to this resistance level, which is around 0.94453, and then fall may take place. So like this it may move. Okay, if the breakout happens, and in case if it gives a breakout from here, then candles may start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level, which is around 6.6. okay, candles may go up. So currently you can see candles are now at the resistance level. So if the breakout happens, it may go up, or else it may come down to the support level. You can see that very clearly. Okay, so previously you can see candles were moving in this channel pattern, and then breakout happened, then candles are falling continuously in this downtrend channel pattern. After the breakout only you may see the uptrend, and candles may start moving in upward direction, or else the downtrend will continue in this channel pattern itself. Okay, now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see current price is $0.4084. it is down by 4%. Rank is around 99. Around 76k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is 339 million. Volume in 24 hours is 24 million, and holder count is 131.32k holders for this cryptocurrency. Now we'll go to the chart, and make sure to have a stop loss. Suppose you can see when the candles are falling, and if there's a breakout happen, if you have open position here, you should have a stop loss below this support trend line. So if the price goes up, you make profit, and if it reverses, you can exit with the help of the stop loss. So always try to prevent any big losses with the help of stop loss, and always keep your money safe. Without that you can't go for next trades. So always use the stop loss to prevent any major losses. That is very, very important. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.